Hi, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very simple DIY. So let's turn this gold charger into a springy one. So what we need are this charger, this table napkin, the springy look table napkin, a bit of water, and of course glue. You can use any glue, guys. You just have to add with a bit of water so it's not very thick, as you can see what I'm trying to do. And as you can see, guys, most people use a brush with some very liquid glue, but it didn't work with me, so that's the reason why I tried this way, my own method, which is I'm using my hand. And the reason why I use my hand is because I can control how much glue I put everywhere, or I can spread the glue evenly, as you can see. So that's the reason why I use my hand, because glue is washable anyway. After you finish doing it, you can just wash your hand. And now slowly put the table napkin onto the charger, and then use a phone card, or you can use your credit card just to straighten up, and it's not wrinkly. As you can see, do it gently, because if you do it so rough, it might break, because underneath is still wet. So as you can see, it's almost done. I'm just trying to make sure it's all straight. And then take a scissor and just cut all the edges of this table napkin. You see? And do it gently also, because again, it's still wet. It's still wet. And almost done, guys. It's really nice, the color of this table napkin, and this is the outcome. Isn't it that nice? So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Bye.